Duke Nukem 3D. Return to Castle Wolfenstein. Wolfenstein: The New Order. Unreal Tournament.
Half-Life 2, Episode 2.
Or 20 of 166, the best science fiction games of all time. 50 of 162, the best Xbox 360 shooter games.
Call of Duty 2.
Call of Duty 2. Battlefield 4.
Fallout 3.
Fallout 3.
Call of Duty Black Ops Roman 2.
Call of Duty Black Ops Roman 2. BioShock. Halo 3. Wolfenstein 3D.
Call of Duty World at War.
Call of Duty World at War. Halo Combat Evolved. Half-Life 2. Half-Life. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2.
Doom.
Doom.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.